How to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily insert a table in your Microsoft Word document. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to insert a table in Microsoft Word, first of all you have to click on insert option, and here you can see table option, click on it, and from here you can insert a table. This is automatic table, but if you want to insert a manual table or custom table, click on insert table, and here you can select number of columns that you want. For example, I want 6 columns, and now here you have to select the number of rows. For example, I select 35 rows and click on OK. And here you can see I have successfully inserted a column in Microsoft Word. So guys, in this way you can insert or add a column or table in Microsoft Word very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.